Minimalist YouTube channel. I also have a podcast, so don't forget to check that out in the description box below. I eat plant-based and so does my family for the most part, and so making a few things ahead of time really helps us to stay on track and helps us to get a lot of veggies in. Today I just thought I would take you along and show you what I am prepping for the week. If I do a little bit of prep work on Sunday, I'm able to have a much smoother week and I'm much better able to stick to the foods that I want to eat as well as feed to my family. Today I plan on making bread for the week. Well, let's be real, it's probably only gonna last a few days. I'll have to make bread again later on this week, but at least I don't have to make it until Wednesday or Thursday, so that's a good thing. So I'm gonna make bread. I have potatoes and rice on the schedule. I'm also going to cut up salads for tomorrow's lunches, as well as chop up a whole bunch of vegetables to go in hummus and things like that. I'm also gonna make hummus, and I might go ahead and make cashew milk. I have a little bit left in the refrigerator right now, but I will need to make some at some point, so I might make that today. Now I'll go ahead and show you what I'm making. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. That way you can get other videos like this. Also, I hope that some of these tips have helped you to figure out how you can maybe do a little bit of food prepping so that you can eat more healthfully and also just make your life easier. It's not really about what you prep, it's about being prepared. And so just making sure you have a few things on hand ready to go throughout the week generally helps me to just eat more healthfully and to feel better, and also allows me to answer a little bit better that question that most home chefs love: what's for dinner? Thanks again for watching, and remember, it's all about the experiences, not the stuff.